今度左膝を上げてください。こっちバランスが悪いですね。
Instrument was specifically designed to deliver a precise, quick thrust that is gentle, safe, and specific. The thrust delivered by the instrument is so quick that it accelerates ahead of the body's tendency to tighten up and resist the adjustment, producing mobility in the areas of the spine that need it most. In addition, the thrust can be regulated by the chiropractor to deliver stronger or lighter forces, depending on the area of the spine being adjusted. These adjustments are thought to reset your system. In a
右膝を上げてみてください。はい、OK です。今度左を上げてください。さっきと比べてどうですか？
左の方がこの